In this video, we continue our journey in creating this gorgeous photo album with a removable cover. Now this removable cover layer has a pocket inside. You can journal on here, add extra photos. In this little booklet, again, you can journal, add some photos. Here I show you a 6x4 photo. Pop the booklet back into its pocket and held together by magnets. And again, the booklet is held by magnets onto the actual album. It's not going anywhere. Now this video will be working on the waterfall, which is this part here with a little magnetic latch. You can insert 13 6x4 photos easily. I hope you can stay with me to the end. Hi everybody, my name is Kat from Kat's Crafty Corner. Welcome to my channel. If you do like this type of craft, please think of subscribing, hit the notification bell and even the like button. It really helps my channel to grow. Thank you. Let's get started. In part 2 of the project, I created the pockets. I'll show you how I do that to insert our removable albums. So let's get started onto the waterfall. First, I pick out a page that I want to use as my base. Now the paper collection I'm using is from Stamperia, the Romantic collection. First you will need to cut out 6 pieces of your cardstock, 6 1/4 by 5.5 inches. And again, you'll need 6 pieces and score all pieces at 5/16. And when you do your scoring, make sure that if there's any barcodes or anything, that they're not going to be visible. Once you've scored all your pieces, I burnish them down thoroughly. And this is what I mean by barcodes. I left a 1/2 inch margin on the left and right side of the page and make sure that it's equal. And I draw my first line as I'm showing you here. And again, I just measure just 1/2 inch left and right and then draw a line down, so that's where I'll be cutting from left to right to insert each photo page. And then I'll go on to measure just over 1/2 inch for the 6 little photo sleeves. So that'll be my first one. Again, I measure from the bottom to make sure it's all even. Mark out my 1/2 inch lines. and I start off with the bottom one. Just cutting from the left to the right margin. No more, no less. And then I just nick off the corners just so they slip in more easily. And again, you can glue these down, or I decided to go with double-sided tape. Which was quicker and easier. So just place the double-sided just below the fold line. There, just below the fold line. Otherwise it will show through on the other side. Then I go on to nick all the edges on the tabs. And just continue as I'm showing you, making sure you're burnishing it as you go. And make sure that your sleeve is down and out of the way before you do your second cut. And then just continue on as I'm showing you. Make sure everything is straight as you go. And then just on the cut lines I put score tape, double-sided tape, sorry. And you just continue doing this as you're adding in your little sleeves. And again, just add your double-sided tape to your cut line, and here we are, it's ready. And here I start to decorate the bottom edges of each sleeve. Just leaving about 1 mil on either end, and just continue cutting them and just sticking them down as I'm showing you here. Now all our little pieces are all cut out, so I glued down my magnet that will be needed at the top as I'm showing you here. I'm just going to put it towards the left, so you can center it, you can put it anywhere you like for your little closure, and then just continue to glue everything down. Now we come to the closure. All I did was scored at the end 1/2 inch, and that will be our magnetic little tab that will hold all the pictures down. This was just an off cut that I had, so you can make it as wide as you like. I think this one was about just 1 1/4. Add your alternate magnet, and then you just go on to decorate it as you please. And now it's just ready to be all glued down. Make sure you burnish really well. And here, this page is complete now. And a 6x4 photo fits comfortably. And then I go on to dress the whole album around and inside. Just cut to size and just glue down. The album now is basically finished. All pages are covered. In my next video, I'll be working on the removable cover. I hope you can join me, and if you do like this type of crafting and you like this video, please think of subscribing and hitting the like button. Thank you.